video is on projection of points. Let us understand the role of points and plane in this topic. We know all basic terms like what is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So this is a vertical plane, and which I am drawing now is a horizontal plane. So this is first quadrant, and this is second one, and this one is third one, and another one is fourth one. Now I'm drawing a kind of 2D drawing, and we are seeing it from front. In this topic we have to understand that what is front view and what is top view, and what happens when we see from front and from top. Like something is given, a point is given in front of a vertical point and behind a vertical point, or below horizontal plane or above horizontal plane. So this kind of actually things works when we understand it clearly. Like a point is given, right, which is above the horizontal plane, so it is fixed on vertical plane, we should understand. And if it is in front of vertical plane, so we have to rotate it and bring it to in a vertical plane. We always rotate a point which is in the front of vertical plane in 90-degree clockwise direction. To show a point which is front view or top view, we should level it with some character like which is A for top view or A dash for front view, and vice versa. Similarly, for all the points which are in second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant, which will rotate in 90-degree clockwise direction to make it in a laminar plane which we can see in 2D direction. So let us do some questions and better we understand with them. So in question it is given that a point A is 40 mm above a horizontal plane. So should take a reference line which is XY, or even name it another name you can give it. So which is 40 mm above horizontal plane. So when we see it from top, it will be top view, and the point is in 55 mm in front of vertical plane. Obvious, in question it is given that the point is in front of. So a point which is in front of it, it will be in a vertical plane only. So it we should rotate it to a vertical plane and bring it to vertical plane by rotating it in clockwise direction. Point B, which is an above HP, it will be fixed, and 15 mm which is behind vertical plane, we should rotate it to clockwise direction to bring it into vertical plane. So it will be both in fixed line which is 10 mm, and above that 5 mm again 10 mm point will be there. So this kind of questions are there. And one question which I am seeing in 9th and 10th, we have to some questions are there like we have to measure angle by some points are given, like a point is above on HP and below HP, and their distance between their projection is something will be given. We have to find their degree and angle, so we will see this. You can better understand it by, suppose if a horizontal plane is there, like a copy is there, and you turn a page of it, right? So a point is given which is behind of a vertical plane, and a point is given which is in front of vertical plane, and horizontal plane is fixed, right? So a line which is joining them, or their projection, will be like similar triangle, or we can solve it by trigonometry, or we can directly measure it from compass. This one is the direct solution, which is the front view and top view, and another alternative solution will be there, like it is showing that the point is 15 millimeter behind, and at some distance which is ahead of vertical plane. So we have joined the projection, and then by geometry we find it, or by using compass we can find it. Suppose we are saying this figure from top, and xy is the vertical page which we have turned, right? And those points were the on lying on horizontal plane. And this one is type of another question which is also similar like to 9.